Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Supabase with React Native. So before starting, make sure that your React Native project is properly set up and that you have your Supabase URL and anon key ready. So first, you will open your React Native project in your code editor. So you have to make sure that you already have your project here and that you're already logged in. And then you will install the Supabase JavaScript client by running this exact right here. So you can just actually copy that and paste it there. And then after that, you will just have to open your main project file, and it is usually app.js or index.js. And then you will import your Supabase by adding this right here, and then you will just have to initialize Supabase, which is right here as well. And then if you're using your environment variables, place your keys inside a .env file and load them with a library like React Native .dotenv. And after that, you can call Supabase features. For example, this fetching rows. And yeah, if your screen or code looks different, you could make sure that you're using the latest Supabase client for React Native. And it is usually version 2 plus in 2025. And finally, you will just have to run your app and test that data loads correctly. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.